In my channel till today, you have received some content related to Fusion, but hereafter you will be receiving the content related to Figma as well. Figma is a UI UX software. Okay, generally it can be used for creating the patterns, templates for your websites and your apps. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate how we can get registered with the Figma. Basically, Figma is open source. Once check the Google and then type here Figma and just get in enter. Now see here, the first link we'll get here. Click on this. Now close this pop-up window. Now just click on login. If you have already Google account logged in, just click on continue with your Google. Okay, because I have opened my Gmail in other tab here, so I'm just clicking this. So now it is asking me whether I wish to continue with my Gmail account. Now I'm clicking here continue. Just it's loading. So here is the first page. So it is asking for my name. Just I enter my name Vishwa Sairam, and here I'm clicking like subscribe to the Figma tips and updates and click on continue. Now what is the purpose why I'm using? So I'm writing here for work purpose and click on continue. You can select it for your schooling purpose also, because you are going to study. If you're doing for something else, you can click here something else as well. Now what do you do for work? I'm educator, software developer, student. So if you are a student, click on student. If I'm educator, I'm going to click on educator. So here I'm going to click educator and click on continue. What type of level of the school, college or university, and click on continue. So will anyone will be joining, just skip this step. Have you used Figma? Because you are using this Figma for the first time, just select here no, it's the first time and click on continue. So just click on the starter plan. See, the only the difference is here we can create only 3 templates at a time. In the professional we have unlimited, and in the organization also we have unlimited. So for now we are going to click on the starter plan and click on continue. So just skip this step as well. Okay, here you are in the first page of this Figma. So how to do the Figma and how to create a Jamboard, that we will be explaining in the next classes. Thank you.